Hey there, content creators! In today's fast-paced world, AI is transforming how we work, and it's not something to fear. Today, I'm sharing 7 AI hacks that will make your life easier and show you why AI is your friend, not a foe. First up, AI helps you transition from working harder to working smarter by automating repetitive tasks. This means you can focus on what really matters, boosting your productivity and innovation. Next, platforms like ChatGPT can generate articles, marketing copy, and social media posts in no time. Imagine the creative freedom you'll have when you're not bogged down by the grind of content creation. Moving on to AI's analytical tools can sift through complex data sets to give you actionable insights, helping you make informed decisions and eliminate guesswork. Smart decisions lead to big wins. With AI, it's revolutionizing cybersecurity by automating threat detection and response. Keep your sensitive data safe and focus on your core tasks, knowing AI has got your back. Now, AI-powered assistants can handle your scheduling, reminders, and admin work. Free up your time and energy for the projects that truly matter. Ever heard of AI-enhanced RPA can take care of those repetitive, mundane tasks, reducing human error and letting you dive into more strategic initiatives. Efficiency meets precision. Lastly, use customer data to create targeted marketing campaigns that hit the mark every time. Understand your audience better and watch your engagement and sales soar. So, there you have it. 7 AI hacks that can transform your workflow and boost your productivity. Embrace AI and see it as an ally that helps you achieve more with less effort. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.